Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how a smart user insert a tick in Microsoft Word like this in seconds, and normal user insert the same tick like this. It takes too much time. From insert, symbols, more symbols. Here we have OK, and you can search it. This one, insert, close. That is the way that normal user use. If you want to save time, watch and learn. Okay, now let me create a shortcut. Just from insert, go to symbol, more symbols. From here, search for wingding. Yes, this one, and search. This one, for example, I want select this type of check. Okay, autocorrect it, / tick 1, add, okay, and close. Now, for example, I add this type, just I write / tick 1. Okay, that's the way to create shortcut and insert symbols in a correct way. That's all. Have a nice time.